Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I spice up my top knot and give a little bit more character to my traditional bun. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Today we are starting off with day 2 wash and go hair. It's not really wash and go hair because all I did was put some of my quench leave-in conditioner in my freshly washed hair and it air dried throughout the day. So we are going to part our hair like so, just going ear to ear, kind of like you're doing a half up, half down style. And then once you part off your hair, you want to band off the back portion. And then with this front portion right here, we're going to add some water to add a little bit of moisture to the hair and make it a little bit more manageable. Next, to seal in that moisture, we are using the buttercream from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, and this is just sealing in that moisture that we just sprayed on our hair. And then I am going to proceed with parting my hair. So this part, you can kind of do it all willy-nilly, however you want to do it. I decided to do triangles on the sides, and in the top I wound up doing like trapezoids. And I'm using my coconut curl balls curling jelly to lay my hair down, and I'm using my edge brush on the edges just to make sure I get it as smooth as possible. And then we're just working that product into the hair, and then we're going to use a rubber band, and I just used one rubber band for each little section that I did, and then we rubber band them off. You want to make sure this is tight, but not too tight where it's pulling your edges, because we don't want your hair to break off. Next, we're taking the Tame My Edges edge tamer, and we're just gonna put this on our edges and swoop them as desired. Pretty much we're going to continue to do this all the way across the front of the head. Again, I did do trapezoids in the middle. I had 4 in the middle section and then 2 triangles on each side. So I'll just let you guys watch this. It's the same process for each section. And once we're done with all of these sections, you have your hair looking a little bit like this. Now there's a couple things you can do with it. You can twist them or braid them. I prefer to keep it out to keep that curly texture. And I'm just pulling all of the hair up into the middle like we're doing a party pony. You want to make sure you grab all the hair. Again, when you secure this with your rubber band, you want to make sure you're not doing it too tight where it's pulling on your edges and really pulling and tugging on your hair, but you want to make it tight enough where it holds pretty good. And so once you're done, you're going to take out that back portion, and then we're pretty much just doing a basic top knot. So all I do is take all that hair from the back, flip it up, and then we're going to gather it at the top with that small party pony. And then I'm just taking a hair tie and I'm looping it around once, crossing it in the back, and then tucking my curls under to create a nice curly top knot bun. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a great way to spice up your traditional bun, and it's a good protective style for these cold winter days. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye guys.